Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to power off or turn off your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. In this video, I will show you three different methods to turn off your S25 FE. So let's see one by one. In the first method, just swipe down the notification panel twice from the top. At the top, you can see the power button. Tap on it. Now you can see the power menu. Tap on the power off. Tap again to turn off your phone. This is the first method. Second method, you can use the side button. Long press it on your device. Now you can see the power menu. If you can't see the power menu, you need to change the side button settings. So to change it, go to the settings on your device. Here you can search for the side button settings, side button. Tap on a side button. Tap on a long press and make sure select the power up menu. By default, set the digital assistant. So select the power up menu to launch the power menu using the side button on your device. Just long press the side button and you can see the power menu. Tap on the power off, tap on the power off to turn off your fan. And the last method, you can use both the side button and volume down button. Long press it and you can see the power menu again. So tap on power off, tap on the power off. Now you can see turn off your Samsung S25 FE in any other Samsung device. So this is the all three method. You can also use the Gemini or a Bixby voice assistant on your device. So first of all, we turn on your phone, long press the side button until see the Samsung logo or vibrate in your device. Now we talk about the last and on another method. Use the Gemini or a voice assistant. Just launch the Gemini or a Bixby and say power of the phone or turn off the phone, and you can see the power menu on your device. So this is the all three method you can use to turn off your Samsung S25 FE or any other latest One UI 8 device. That's it. Which method do you use to turn off your Samsung device? Please tell us in the comment section below. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.